that's what I do in the day. Sitting here drinking, trying to keep from thinking all the blues of my troubles away. But now I couldn't make her stay. Well, doggone her anyway. She can't say that I didn't try. Pour me another one, I finish mediocre one. I'm thinking my baby goodbye.
What up, mediocre motherfuckers of YouTube? Here we are, man, in the fucking car again. And this is how fucking busy I am. I wanted to make you guys a Merry Christmas video, and I've been, trying to find time for it. I'm working on the Stratocaster. I finally got my parts. And I'm not sure. I know a couple of you guys I talked to know the story. I ordered my parts. Where did I order them from first? I ordered them from Amazon first. Amazon lost my package. So I had also ordered some stuff from Antique Electronics Supply, and those came. That was fine. That was just one pot and some resistors, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, Amazon loses my package. I wait 2 weeks for that. They fucking finally tell me, oh, no, we don't know where it's at. Refund your money, blah, blah, blah. Fine, cool. I went and I ordered it on eBay from Tone Shapers. If you don't know about Tone Shapers, please go check these guys out, because they're pretty friggin' cool. They've got all kinds of little kits, I mean, it's just parts. You got to solder it all together. They might make some stuff that's already soldered together. You just have to check with them. But I'll tell you what, their customer service is fucking excellent. Just give them a call and ask them, tell them what you're doing, and they'll put together a little kit for you at a reasonable cost. Nice pots and everything. And I even asked the guy, because I ordered a Super Switch, and the kit was kind of designed so that you can, in the second position, it splits a humbucker. We'll get into that in the video I made wiring this up. So that's coming. That should be coming next, is finishing my Strat. I just haven't had the time, man. It's just, God, my life is so fucking busy. So, today I'm actually heading over to my daughter's place for a little bit, and it takes me about 20 minutes to get to her, and I thought, well, I'll make my video. So, that being said, Merry Christmas to all of you guys. I really appreciate you. Mark Allen, when I get home in about 2 hours, I am going to drop your package in the mail from You Won the Mediocre YouTube contest, 1,000 subscriber contest, and being a mediocre channel. Now, I mean, I'm just trying to reach mediocrity here. I'm not even mediocre. I'm trying to reach that. I still haven't sent out Mark's fucking prize package, so I'm going to try to sweeten the pot a little bit, but it is definitely going out today. And buddy, I'll send you an email and the tracking number for it, so you know where it's at and when it's coming. So I really hope that all you guys are doing great. It is an odd Christmas, it's very strange. People are not getting together. Even my family, we're not doing what we normally do, that's the right thing to do, so we're doing what we should be doing. I think, everybody's doing what they should be doing. But at this point, and especially in the last couple days, man, I've just said to myself, you know what? I am so fucking done with this virus. I'm not afraid. I don't give a shit. I'm not afraid to get sick. Fuck it. I don't really care. Bring the fucking virus on. What I'm afraid of is if I were to get sick is giving it to somebody else. So if I were to get sick, I would quarantine myself and make sure I don't give it to anybody. But I'm not afraid to get sick anymore. Does that mean like I'm making a stand and not wearing a mask and shit like that? No, I'm still taking precautions. Don't get me wrong, I'm going to continue to take precautions. I'm busy. I'm going places. I got the hand sanitizer right next to me. I got plenty of masks with me. I've got Clorox wipes. I even wipe my groceries, which I know a lot of people that I've talked to, they don't do that. But when I go get groceries, I bring them home in the garage, and I take them out of the bags, and I wipe them, each item with Clorox cleanup wipes, and then I put it in the house. I've been doing that since last March, when this whole thing kind of broke through. I heard a rumor today that President Trump signed an executive order mandating Medicare for all, which is interesting because there's already rumblings that the Biden administration is going to rescind that the minute they get into office. Why? Because the donors, the corporate donors to the Biden administration are fucking pissed. They're like, what do you fucking need? Medicare for all? Well, this is what the Democrats always wanted. They wanted free health care for all, Medicare for all. They've been screaming about this for years. Well, now the President Trump does it, and all of a sudden they don't want it. Why is that? Because they never fucking wanted it in the first place. You know, basically, whatever politicians are telling you, and this is across the board, I'm not picking on Democrats here. I'm picking on Democrats, Republicans, all of them. Anybody that identifies as one party. Whatever they tell you they want to do, they're actually telling you they want the opposite of that. So always keep that in mind as you listen to politicians and whatnot. Whatever they're saying, they're basically just turning around, and that's what they're actually saying. If you just reverse it, and that's how I live my life as far as politics goes. Whatever the government tells me to do, I usually do the opposite of it, and I'm usually right. So this is scary times, man. We're living in weird, fucking strange, scary times. They're gonna milk this fucking virus, and I'm probably gonna get the little thing at the bottom of my video saying, oh, this is coronavirus information, whatever. It could be wrong because I said the word virus in this video. But they're gonna milk this fucking thing for everything it's worth. Congress came back and said they wanted to give everybody a $600 stimulus check. And President Trump said, no, you know what, give everybody $2,000, you know, which is what Pelosi wanted in the first place. But now all of a sudden they don't want it. It's fucking stupid, man. You know what? If you guys have not figured out that these politicians do not give a flying fuck about you, if you haven't figured out that much yet, you got a lot to learn. You got a lot to learn, I'll tell you. Yes, sir. So yeah, that's going on. That's where we're at right now in life. It's, what is it? Day before Christmas Eve. It's a Wednesday, and it's the day before Christmas Eve, which is Christmas Eve is also the anniversary of my father's death. It'll be 7 years this year since I lost my father. So, you know, that's how Christmas is for me anyway, every year. It's like this whole, you know, I remember that day. I found him that day, you know, when he was gone that morning. So that's always how Christmas is for me anyway. So you add this virus on top, all this bullshit that's going on, it kind of just gets my mind off of reality and what's real. And that's what's real, you know. I mean, if I had a wish, if a genie came up and told me they're going to give me 3 wishes or whatever, one of those wishes would just to have more time with my father. Not only him, but other people that I've lost, you know. That's what's important, you guys, you know. Time. Time is your biggest commodity, you know. Don't live your life as if you're running out of time, because you will, in fact, run out of time early. But, you know, appreciate the time you have with the people you love. Like I said just a minute ago, you know, I'm heading over to my daughter's house right now, and we're going to hang out for a little bit. And, you know, I just, you know, no expectations or anything. I just want to see her. I just want to spend time with her, you know. And you'll find, if you haven't found in life already, you will find that time is what's really important. You know, time with the people you love. And being it is the holiday season and Christmas right around the corner, and then New Year's starting a new year, you know, you start to think about this stuff, you know. It's like, it's important, man. Spend time and appreciate time with the people you love. And I got on that rant, but anyhow, just wanted to tell each and every one of you guys Merry Christmas, and God bless you and your families. And I hope you have a awesome Christmas, and I wish for each one of you a prosperous New Year with low stress, and I wish every one of you can live the life that you want to live. That's what I wish for people. So that being said, I think I'm going to end this MOF, and I'll see you guys soon. And I think maybe the next video will probably end up being finishing up the Strat. So if I don't see it before then, I'll see you then. And other than that, God bless each one of you guys. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and Mark Allen, I'm going to get your package out hopefully today. So you'll see it in a week or so. All right, guys, I got to run as usual. You know, I'm on the road doing another driving video. But hey, what can you do? I'm a busy guy, man. Peace.